Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by registering and funding. This is the fastest path to use the app. After you sign up, complete KYC, upload your ID and selfie so you can unlock deposits and trading. Once done, link your bank account or card and initiate a deposit. Make sure to check payment limits and fees to avoid surprises. If you prefer, convert a small test amount first to confirm settlement times. This sets the stage for secure, fully enabled access to Swissborg's features. Now you'll execute trades and manage positions. Open the asset page, compare prices and spreads, then pick market or limit orders depending on how precise you need to be. For recurring buys, set schedule and amount to dollar cost average over time. Once your order executes, review portfolio allocations and enable price alerts so you don't miss moves. Make sure to turn on the Smart Engine or Advanced Tools if you want optimized routing. These reduce costs and improve fills automatically. To finish, lock in security and tidy records so you avoid future headaches. Enable biometric unlock and strong PIN. Export transaction history for taxes and receipts to track gains or losses. If you need to withdraw, confirm bank details and allow settlement time. If something goes wrong, like a failed deposit, first update the app and clear cache. Retry the action. If the issue persists, contact support with screenshots and TXID. They can trace payments and resolve stuck orders.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.